Meaning of diatribe.
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 Diatribe. The word diatribe refers to a bitter and abusive attack or criticism, usually against a person or a group. It is used to describe a harsh and aggressive verbal or written assault. Diatribes are often filled with strong emotions such as anger, frustration, or resentment, and can be damaging to the recipient's reputation, self-esteem, or relationships. The result of a diatribe can be a breakdown in communication, damaged relationships, or a negative impact on the mental health and well-being of the target.